Chroma key compositing, or chroma keying, is a visual effects and post-production technique for compositing two images or video streams together based on color hues called chroma range. This technique is known as green screening and is used in many fields to remove a background from the subject of a photo or video, particularly in the newscasting, motion picture, and video game industries. A color range in the foreground footage is made transparent, allowing separately filmed background footage or a static image to be inserted into the scene. First, you do in fact want a green screen. This is because green is one of the furthest colors away from the human skin tone. Also, camera sensors tend to be the most sensitive to greens as well. In the scenario where you have to shoot something green or your subject must wear green, you can alternatively opt for a blue backdrop called blue screen. This setup and lighting steps will be the exact same for blue screen as green screen. Consider the material. An ideal green screen is a painted green wall, but that isn't always possible. The next best thing is a smooth fabric green color screen with no wrinkles or reflective material. Screens are available that hang from stands, or the portable pop-out style is great for using on the go and for storage. There are two main points to consider when shooting green screen, which are lighting the subject and lighting the green screen. The goal to good lighting is to make your subject in green screen look as natural as possible. Check that your subject is not casting any shadows on the green screen, and consider using a diffuse backlight to further separate your subject from the background. To avoid shadows, make sure your subject is at least 6 feet away from the green screen. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to begin setting up and shooting with the green screen or blue screen. Practice makes perfect, so the more you shoot using green screen, then the better you'll be. The next step, once you have footage using a green screen, will be editing. And remember, the better your setup and lighting is, then the less editing is needed for after you shoot.